more than a century, flight has always carried a sound. But what if the next revolution could move without a whisper? This is AeroPulse, a visionary concept imagining how Stitcher controlled acoustic energy instead of spinning propeller. Every revolution begins as an impossible idea. Before powered flight, before rockets, before reusable spacecraft, there was imagination. AeroPulse asks a simple question: could sound itself become the engine of flight? Without spinning propellers, the sky becomes quieter, every movement becomes smoother, every mission becomes less intrusive. A new language of flight begins. Rather than spinning blades, AeroPulse imagines arrays of synchronized ultrasonic emitters producing carefully shaped acoustic pressure fields. These fields could, in theory, manipulate airflow to generate controlled lift and directional thrust. Every aircraft needs energy. AeroPulse envisions a future powered by high-density solid-state batteries supported by graphene supercapacitors for rapid power delivery. If technologies such as advanced batteries and efficient acoustic propulsion mature, future aircraft inspired by AeroPulse might travel significantly farther than today's compact drones. AeroPulse also imagines intelligent engineering, lightweight recyclable materials, AI-assisted navigation, adaptive flight stabilization, and energy-efficient systems designed to reduce environmental impact. AeroPulse imagines AI-assisted navigation capable of continuously analyzing terrain, weather, obstacles, and mission priorities. Designed as a multi-purpose concept platform, AeroPulse explores potential applications including scientific observation, conservation, infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, and AeroPulse, revolutionizing environmental science. From mapping coral reefs to monitoring volcanoes, predicting floods, surveying ice sheets, and detecting forest fires. The future of planetary protection. If silent flight becomes possible, tomorrow's skies may look very different. Cleaner, quieter, more connected. AeroPulse, redefining sustainable flight with carbon-neutral manufacturing. Self-healing composites and modular design ensure effortless maintenance. Digital twins monitor every stage from production to operation. This is the future of aerospace. AeroPulse, redefining aerial mobility. Geofencing ensures safe, compliant airspace. Privacy protection and encryptability safeguard your data. Human override and explainable AI provide transparency and control. Engineering breakthroughs require years or decades of careful research, testing, and regulation. Future aviation could prioritize not only speed and capability, but also harmony. Introducing AeroPulse, the future of aerial technology, a seamless blend of design and power, revolutionizing flight with cutting-edge innovation. Every specification shown here represents a design vision for the silent sonic drone concept. Propelled by ultrasonic acoustics, powered by solid-state batteries, the AeroPulse vehicle demonstrates AI-assisted autonomous flight. Advanced sensors like LiDAR and thermal vision scan the environment in real time. Adaptive acoustic vector control ensures smooth, stable flight. Might converge into a quieter generation of aerial systems. AeroPulse is a vision of what the future of flight could become, where technology moves with precision, where innovation respects the world around it, and where silence becomes the greatest breakthrough of all. AeroPulse, where innovation moves without a whisper.